Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now open your EVS textbook. We have already completed our chapter Foods We Eat and workbook also. Okay, and next chapter Saying Without Speaking. Okay, new chapter. Chapter number 7, Saying Without Speaking. From this chapter, see, dumb carades. Let us play a game. Some boys are playing, and let us play a game. In this game, everyone to let others know what they want to tell without speaking. This is a game without speaking. Know what they want to tell without speaking. Divide yourselves into groups of 7. Okay, 7 groups divided, and next your teacher will give each group a piece of paper with a situation written on it, and without speaking, this is a game. Each group will read what is written on the paper, okay, and prepare a silent act. Okay, keep in mind that you cannot speak. Okay, and next you can express through your face and body reaction. From your through your body reaction and your face, you express your talking. When all the groups are ready with their act, they have to perform one by one in front of the other groups. Okay, and the others will have to guess what is being acted out. How did you like this game? Because this is a new types of games. Okay, did you find it difficult to act without speaking? Yes, very difficult to act without speaking. And look at the picture given on the next page. Okay, the children in the picture are talking to each other through their actions. Okay, they are not speaking with their mouth. They go through this game through their body language or their reactions. Okay, see, one boy and one girl, they played a new game that without speaking, a topic discussed from each to another. Most of us can hear and speak. Most of people, most of men can hear or speak, but there are some people who can neither speak or nor hear. Okay, most of the people can speak or hear, but some of the peoples can neither hear or not speak. These people talk through actions. Okay, through their body language or their expressions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movements. Okay, through their lip movements, they understood that other people's what they are saying. All of us cannot do everything. Okay, and some of us sing well, and others ride good property. This is our nature. Okay, all of us cannot do everything. Some people do very well singing or dancing, or some people write good poetry. Some can climb trees and quickly, and while others can run fast. Some can draw well. You also draw well, and you can sing well or dance anyhow. Others can sing in tune. We our own ways. Okay, and hence in school we can learn and from each other. Okay, some people do singing very well, or some people dance very well, some write poetry. So in the school we learn from each other, and like all children who cannot speak and hear also go to school to read and write also. In school sign language is taught to them. Okay, and let us about a child who cannot hear yet who can do many things. Okay, so in the next classes we have discussed that a people who cannot hear or speak, they can do different types of ways in many ways. Okay.